Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to split screen on Windows 11. So this will help you to do the multitasking at the same time guys. I'll show you guys how to enable it. Right click on the start icon and select settings. On right side you just need to scroll down, select multitasking. You just need to make sure snap window is turned on. You just need to make sure it is turned on, and after that close it off here. Now, for example, you just want this to split screen. You just need to hold on the cursor in the maximize option, and you can able to see the four option available guys. You can open two tabs at the same time or three or four. I'm gonna show you guys first four tabs at the same time. Control panel in this side File Explorer, and this side Google Chrome. Four tabs available in the screen. Now you can access to any tabs you wanted guys. Now you can use it like this, any tabs, but you want to split screen too, but you just need to close it out of these two options, and now you just need to hold the cursor in maximize option. I'm gonna do it to split guys. Click on it, and now on right side click on anything you want it, and you can use simply two tabs at the same time guys. Here you can search anything, here you can do work, you can use multitasking at the same time. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.